Hey, hi guys, my name is Nagashekar and you are watching me on Tech My Head. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna talk about Capgemini Pool Drive for freshers. We are going to talk about the syllabus, exam pattern and eligibility criteria for this Capgemini Pool Drive. If you are watching the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and click bell icon for instant notifications. And you can follow us on Instagram and Telegram. Links are provided in the description. For personal assistance regarding jobs, you can call us on Call Me For app. For that, you please go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Call Me For app and install that app so that you can contact us personally and get assistance from our team.
Now, without any further delay, let's get started.
So Capgemini is going to hire freshers for the role of software developers. And coming to the basic eligibility criteria, you should be a BE or BTech graduate, and the year of passing should be 2021. And coming to the aggregate, you should have 60% aggregate in all 7 semesters. And if you are MCA student, you should have 60% aggregate in 5 semesters of your MCA. And also you should have 60% aggregate in 10th and 12th. And you should be a graduate in the following streams like computer science engineering, information technology, information science, telecommunication, instrumentation, electronics and communication engineering, and triple E. If you are an ME or MTech student, you should have degree in information technology, information science, computer science or computers. And you should have good communication skills and good problem solving skills. In this selection process, there are totally 5 rounds, in which the first round is technical assessment pseudocode test, and second one will be multiple choice question based English communication test, and third round will be game based aptitude test. Coming to the fourth round will be technical or HR interviews, and fifth round will be behavioral competency profiling. And coming to the last date of applying, will be April 14th, and the preferred location can be across the India. Coming to the note, you should sign for 2 years of service agreement. This is the pattern for first 3 rounds. The first round is pseudocode test, in which there are 25 number of questions, and the time allotted will be 25 minutes. In these 25 questions, 10 questions are from data structures and algorithms, and the next 15 questions are from algorithms, where pseudocode based questions will be asked. Coming to the second round is MCQ on English. There will be 30 number of questions, and the time allotted will be 30 minutes. And coming to the third round is game based aptitude test. So in this game based aptitude test, there are 4 sub sessions. The first session is detective logical thinking, and the second section is logical thinking. Third one is grid challenge, and fourth one is motion challenge. So for each and every session, we will have different time. And coming for detective logical thinking, there will be 6 minutes of time. Logical thinking and all, we had 6 minutes of time. For grid challenge, we will be having 9 minutes of time, and for motion challenge, we had 6 minutes of time. And point to note is, there will be no negative mark for all these sessions. And coming to the syllabus, for first pseudocode round, you will be asked questions on programming logic, tested through pseudocode questions, and you will be asked questions from C, C++, and Java, and you will be asked questions on data structures, and also you will be asked questions on object-oriented programming. And coming to the English communication based test, you will be asked from 3 areas. First one is vocabulary, second one is grammar, and third one is reasoning. In vocabulary, The topics are synonyms, antonym, and analogy. And coming to the grammar, you will be asked questions on subject verb agreement, modifiers, parallelism, pronoun antecedent agreement, verb time sequence, prepositions, comparison, determiners, voices and speeches, and articles. Coming to the reasoning, you will be asked questions from reading comprehensions, closed passage, parajumbles, and critical reasoning. To the game-based aptitude test, there will be 4 sessions. The first session is detective logical thinking. In this detective logical thinking, the basic questions are like finding the missing symbol, visual in a grid based on a rule based logic. And coming to the second section, it is logical thinking. The questions are visual based questions of type where you are expected to find which pair of figures follows the same rule as per the given pair in the question. And coming to the third session, that is grid challenge. This is ability to focus your attention is measured. The questions types are, first one is symmetry check between two different grids, and second one is recalling the sequence of tasks. And coming to the fourth session, that is motion challenge, where it is ability to plan ahead is measured. It has puzzles where you must find out the path between 2 points in a maze in at least the number of moves as possible. You can solve as many puzzles as. Coming to the fourth round, it is technical and HR round. So here they will be asked questions in 3 areas. First one is project that you have worked on, second one is subject of interest, and third one is questions related to trending technologies. So basically 20 to 30% of questions on your project. So they will be asking questions related to your project. And coming to the second, they will ask you to choose your interested subject, and they will test your knowledge on that subject. So coming to the third thing, they will be asked a few questions on trending technologies like artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing, machine learning, deep learning, and lot more. This is about the technical round. Coming to the HR round, it is just a formality round where your communication skills will be tested. And there are few questions like, tell me about yourself, would you like to relocate anywhere, why Capgemini, tell me about Capgemini. So these questions will be basically tested. This is about a technical round. And coming to the fifth round is behavioral competency profiling, where this is a psychometric test where you will be given with 5 options for each question. You will be asked to choose one of the option. So their main intention is to measure the work related behavior, and this is not an elimination. Capgemini guys, if you want to apply for this job, the link is provided in the description. Please go to the link and apply for this job. And if you face any issues while registering, please let us know in the comment section. And please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and click bell icon for instant notifications. And you can follow us on Instagram and Telegram. The links are provided in the description.